Neutral and no brakes.
Yeah, that's what I got to remember how to do the car wash mode. So all right, well, good afternoon. It is finally cleared up where I live. We live in Northern California. We've been dealing with a lot of fires. Still a little bit of smoke in the air, but it's been really bad. And we've gotten a lot of dust and ash and dirt on our cars. And I usually come out every Saturday morning before it gets too hot and I wash my wife's car. I kind of like doing it. It's small. It's not that hard. But I've been really busy lately with everything that's been going on, especially it's tax time for me, and I've got year-end tax deadlines for corporations, and I've been busy working. So I haven't had a chance to get out and wash. So today I thought, let's, for once, try the car wash mode. I take my truck usually through the car wash, but I don't take hers because I'm trying to keep hers nice, not ruin the paint. I know the paint's not that great on Teslas. But I figure one time's not going to hurt, so I can try out the car wash mode and film it. Eventually, someday when the car becomes mine, when we get a new car for her, I probably won't be as picky. So today, we're going to go up to a car wash and try car wash mode. It is a track car wash, as you'll see, where we actually drive up and then we'll put it in car wash mode. Film the whole thing and see how it goes. Hope I don't screw anything up. Hope my wife's not watching the video to hear me say that I was hoping I didn't screw anything up. So that's what we're going to do today. Join me on the car wash journey, would you? Well, as far as car washes go, this is my favorite one in town. Ooh, whoa, slow down. Still, we have a lot of firefighters, as you can see, in town, visiting from all over. That one's from Victorville. Still putting out some fires. We have the Dixie Fire, which is the largest single wildfire in California history, which is out to our east. We have two fires, the Monument Fire and the, I forget the other one, out to the west. Another one up by Mount Shasta, so it's been crazy around here. But as I was saying, this is my favorite car wash in town. They do a really good job pre-washing and drying afterwards. They are just awesome here. So this is where I'm going to go. And again, I'm a little nervous since I have never done a car wash in the Tesla. But now that I have the car wash mode, I feel pretty comfortable that I will be able to put it in car wash mode, which will stop all those things from happening that you don't want to happen, and get it into neutral so it can free roll. So I'm excited but slightly nervous. So it is right up here. Looks like they're doing stuff, but thankfully the car wash is still open, it looks like. Yes. Wow, not much of a wait either. This will be great. I left my tickets in the other car. I'll just have to buy another pack of tickets.
Okay,
Okay, so I got to put it in car wash mode, which I've never done before in this car.
Go ahead.
So
Okay.
make sure.
Have you back up just a little
All right.
bit here.
I'm nervous. It's my wife's car. I don't want to mess it up. Good?
All right, we're good.
Okay.
And then neutral and no brakes.
Yeah, that's what I got to remember
Set.
how to do the car wash mode. So I go here and service. I got to put it in park. Car wash mode.
figuring it out there.
Enter car wash mode.
Oh, you got car wash.
Oh,
Saying it.
it's doing it.
Okay, car's got to see this autograph real quick.
So it should be good. Automatic car wash, enable free roll. Press brake and D to enable. Okay, press brake and D to enable free roll. All right, we're good. I got it. All right, so that's something interesting. Not only it does all of the things that's listed here, but you have to put it in drive with the brake on and hit enter free roll. So now, because of this kind of car wash where the car is going to be pulled, He just tested, he pushed the wheel and it did roll. So we should be good. It says vehicle will remain in neutral and free rolling, automatic shift to park when exiting vehicle disabled. So, and you can see down here it says car wash. Shows that it's going to keep speed below 10 miles an hour. Charge port door is locked. Walk away door lock off. Automatic wipers off. Parking assist off. Sentry off. Climate recirculating. Front closed. Trunk closed. So does all of that. But that free roll is important because I'm doing the drive-through. So that is what we need. Oh, good. We're going to get this car cleaned. Whew. So that was interesting. I had to push brake, put it in drive, and then able to hit that button. So free roll is enabled. And as you don't always know in a Tesla, when it's blue, that is enabled. So it's not like I need to press it to enable the free roll. So that's perfect. Looks like it closed the mirrors too, so that's good automatically. Yeah, like I said, they do a really good job on pre-wash. Oh, there it goes. She is going. Now I guess I will just exit car wash mode. Oh, look, it says car will remain free rolling when you leave. So I'll exit car wash mode, put it back in drive. See if that does it. For all you Tesla purists, I'm sorry that I'm doing the car wash. It's not touchless, I know, but I want to check this out. Figure once won't kill us. At least the air dryers are touchless. That's the owner there, super nice guy. I've never had him drive the car before. Okay, cool, had a button for unfold mirrors, which is nice. And hopefully I can tell when it goes over the last hump. And I'll be able to, that should be the last hump. There we go, I should be out. So let's turn free roll off. I can exit car wash mode. Thank you so much.
Well, thank you, sir.
That was my first time doing the car wash in the Tesla. They added a new feature that allows it to do it. It worked good, I think.
The new cars, they're technical.
They are.
We're washing more and more of these.
Yeah, okay. Thank you so much.
Pretty fun to drive.
Yo, it's amazing to drive. Yeah, thanks.
Thank you.
All right. So that was it. Wow. Pretty painless. Couple things to remember. It is going to auto-fold the mirrors, but you have to unfold them. I usually do that so they can dry them off when I'm done. And enabling free roll, very important. He did test it. You didn't see, but he actually got down and tried to push the wheels, and he knew that it wasn't free rolling. And when I finally got in free roll mode, he pushed the wheel, it did free roll. So that was perfect. So, wow. All right. Well, that's going to be it for today. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Channel's growing little by little, and I appreciate all the support. I'm never going to have this as my main job. I am an accountant, CPA, and that's my main job, but it's kind of fun to do this, and someday maybe I'll get to monetize my videos and show my wife that all this hard work was worth something. But anyways, if you like this video, like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one, which should be part 8 of our trip to Idaho and Utah. So join us for another installment of the summer road trip. With that being said, I'll catch you next time. And to my friend David, who is probably watching. Yes, I did tip him, and I tipped him pretty good. And I did put money in the firefighter's bucket in Doris, California in that other video. I did. So, sorry I didn't show it, but I did.